Hello everybody, I'm gonna tell you the thing I hate, camping. Well, it's because I have a lot of fears of camping, like bears attacking, spiders, and also snakes. So this is what I think at night. So I always have to sleep with my mom, and there's no service. So if you get hurt, then deal with it. Oh, just kidding. To be prepared, bring supplies with you. But the only thing I like about camping is s'mores, because s'mores are the best. S'mores! Mine. Plus I also like because I get to stay near the fire, which keeps me kind of warm. And the only camping trip that I actually kind of liked was at North Carolina. But that story is saved for the next video. Okay, it's the end of the video. Goodbye.